Hi guys, welcome back to Eduate channel. So in this video, we will be dealing about the mites of fowl. That is the red mite of fowl. That is the Dermanysus. So Dermanyssus is a genus of mites in the family Dermanyssidae. Actually, the word Dermanysus is coming from the Greek words. That is derma meaning skin and nysein meaning bite. So we have taken the data and images from the veterinary parasitology MA Taylor RL for the region. So moving to the taxonomy, they belong to the kingdom Animalia and phylum Arthropoda, class Arachnida, order Mesostigmata, family Dermanyssidae, and the genus Dermanyssus. So this is the generalized mesostigmatid mite ventral view. You can see the anal plates, the chelicerae, the palps, the hypostome, the peritreme. See the peritreme and the spiracle. Yeah. So the synonym, it has got mainly four synonyms, that is the fowl mite, chicken mite, rat mite of poultry, rat mite of fowls. So Dermanyssus gallinae is the main species of importance, which will attack actually chicken, turkey, duck, pigeon, canary, wild birds, occasionally mammals and human. Main site of infection is skin. Moving to the morphology, adult mites are relatively large with long legs. In the male, there is a small sucker-like projections subterminally on the tarsi 3 and 4. A single dorsal shield is present which tapers posteriorly but is truncated at its posterior margin, which is a very important point. The mite has a large dorsal shield and its posterior margin is rounded. Engorged female is about 1 to 1.5 millimeter long. Anus is in the posterior half of anal plate. This is a very important sentence. So life cycle, after a blood meal, the female lays up to 7 eggs in the cracks and crevices of the poultry house or the nest of the birds. So each egg will hatch, and six-legged larvae. First importance is six-legged larvae comes out which we not feed. In 24 to 48 hours, they molt into the proto-nymph, which is having 8 legs. So one pair of legs is coming, and they feed on the host. So the proto-nymph will be feeding on the host. In 24 to 48 hours, they will molt to the adult form. Adult may live up to 4 to 5 months without blood meal, and adult will start burrowing the poultry, and the life cycle will complete within 1 week in optimum conditions. So this is the adult chicken mite Dermanysus gallinae. See, European countries which are marked in yellow, actually they have the Dermanysus presence. This is the life cycle of chicken mite Dermanysus gallinae. Larvae will molt into protonymph, protonymph to deutonymph, deutonymph to the adults. So you can see the pictures. So this is the engorged female. Yeah, this is a very important picture and very clarity. This is having high clarity. So this is the illustration of a chicken mite. That is the life stages, various life stage. The pathology, the mites reproduce at a higher rate in optimum conditions. They will be drawing large amount of blood from the host, which will lead to the anemia. So the nymphs and the adults periodically attack on the host to suck the blood. And after the sucking, they will hide in the cracks and crevices of the poultry shed. So the clinical signs will be anemia due to blood loss, emaciation, listless character, irritation, reduced egg production. So this is the adult female of the red mite, Dermanysus gallinae. This is the dorsal view and the ventral view. So the ventral view of Dermanysus gallinae of chicken mite. So the disease transmission. This mite has got a role in the transmission of Borrelia anserina, which will be causing the fowl spirochetosis. These mites also transmit the virus that is which is causing Western encephalitis, Eastern encephalitis, and St. Louis encephalitis. Also, they can transmit the Q fever. So the control is actually by synthetic pyrethroids like phenvalvrate, beltramethrin, cypermethrin, permethrin, etc. The practice is also done. So thank you guys.